Welcome to the Year 3 Strategy for Subtraction. In this lesson I'm learning to solve subtraction questions by subtracting enough to get to 10 and then subtracting what is left over. Let's start with this question here. I've got 15 counters and I want to subtract 7. Let's have a look at what that looks like. If I go down here, you can see I've got 15 counters. Well, I want to start by subtracting enough to get me back to 10. So if I've got 15 counters, that means I'm going to have to subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's just record what we've done so far. There are 15 counters, and so far I've subtracted 5 counters, which has taken me back to 10. Now the question says I need to take away 7 counters, but so far I've only taken away 5, which means I've got 2 more counters I need to take away. So I'm going to do that now. There's 1 more counter taken away and another one. So let's record what we've just done. We had 10, we took away another 2, which means we have 8 counters left. So 15 minus 7 equals 8. Let's try this question. I've got 12 counters and I want to take away 5. Let's start by looking at what that looks like with counters. Here are my 12 counters here. And I want to start by taking away enough to get me back to 10. So if I minus 1, 2, that gets me back to 10. So let's just record what that looks like. I had 12 counters. I've taken away 2 counters, which has left me with 10 counters. Now I'm not done yet though, because the question said I had to take away 5, and so far all I've done is take away 2, which means I must still have to take away another 3 counters. So I'm going to do that now. 1, 2, and 3. And we can record what that looks like. I had 10 counters. I've taken away 3 more, which means I'm left with 7 counters. And we can double check that. Did I start with 12 counters? Yes. Have I taken away 5? Yes, I can see 5 counters crossed out down here. So 12 minus 5 is 7. Well, let's have a think about what the important things to remember in this lesson are. Well, in your first step, you're trying to subtract enough to take you back to 10. And in your second step, you're subtracting what's left over. You can find the activity sheet that goes with this lesson in the Teacher Tools Addition and Subtraction book from the Whitebook collection.